Today on the channel, we are going to do an unboxing, a review, and what you get inside this Otis Technologies AR Elite Range Box Kit. I was looking to build another range box for some other calipers that I have, so I came across this new product by Otis Technology, and this is their AR Elite Range Box Kit, and this is specified for 223 and 556 AR-15 platforms. So I figured it's just enough to have some equipment and to build a kit off of, because if you do follow the channel, I did do another unboxing of their all caliper Elite Range Box Kit, which comes with a lot of different other brushes and stuff like that for multiple calipers. But I was looking to build another kit for my collection, and I figured I came across this new product and I want to see what they have in here, and I figured this would be a good kit to build off of. But if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, because we got a couple products in which we're going to do a little review on. Ring that notification bell so you guys don't miss out when we do that. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe on the next one we will, because they are free. This is the Otis Technologies AR Elite Range Box Kit, and it, like it says here, it's for 223, 556 AR platforms, and this is how it came. And looking at the back here of the packaging, it shows you what's all included inside the kit. But we're not going to go over that right now, because we're going to tear into this and show you guys exactly what's in here. So this is how your kit will come, and I'm just going to take this wrapper off here. And we're just going to put this off to the side. And I've always liked their range boxes, because they're nice and big, so this way you guys could pack a lot of extra stuff that you might need. But here is the box as it comes, and opening it up, and on the top here you have your trays to cover for your any type of tool that you need. And it also has trays underneath here. Here's some of the things that it came with. Comes with some nylon brushes, and this one looks to be a brass brush. So you get 3 brushes. Let me just push this to the back a little bit here, and I'll line these up here in the front for you. So you get 3 brushes. You get some F10 CLP oil, and then you have a brush here, and this looks like this is their breech brush. This will go inside your barrel, and this will clean the breech area. And then inside here you have some smaller brushes. You have a nice small screen cleaning brush here, and then you also have feels like a terry cloth type tool here, so this way you can pull it through the barrel. And this will just clean all the dust off and that, get all the excess oils off of it. Inside this box here, and this is the M4 SAT, and what this is for your sight adjustments for your front sight post on your A2 gas block style. And it comes with 2 tools, so you can adjust your sights. So I think that's pretty cool. it looks like Otis really went to a lot of thought on what they put in here. And here's another tool for you. It's definitely for the BGCs, the bulk carrier group. So this is the top of your tray. You get the 2 trays here. And then you have all this storage compartment here. What I find pretty neat about this kit is, or these boxes, is that not only do you have this part here, but I'll put this back in here, but you also have a lot of storage here underneath. And how do you access that storage? And it's cool. What's cool about these boxes are that you can separate them without having to access it the top. You can just pull the 2 latches off here on the sides. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. And you just flip these handles down. That way you can access your storage area underneath the tray here without having to access your top. So you could access either or without opening the whole unit up. And inside this compartment, it looks like they give you a bunch of goodies here. Let's start with this box here. And what they got here is a kit for lens cleaning. And what this does is for your any type of optics that you have on, that you can clean it with. And let's see what's all inside there. You get some lens cleaner. You get a lens brush, and they're marked. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty neat. It's nice and soft so you don't scratch your lenses. Some Q-tips. And a lens cloth. And then you also get some lens tissue. So not only did they think about servicing your rifle, they also thought about servicing your optics in this kit, which I think is pretty neat. And put this stuff back in here. So that's pretty cool. You get a lens cleaning kit with your box. And then let's see what's in this kit. Okay, in this kit they give you a lot of these little pads. Cleaning pads. They give you some gun cleaning patches. You get a microfiber towel. There's 3 of them inside the pack, and they look very well constructed, but let's check these out. Wow, these are neat. These are definitely not like your microfiber towels that you're used to. These are nice and soft, and they don't really raise up at all. Here you got a vise, or your block bench. Wow, this is pretty neat. This is for any type of maintenance. You get a worker's block on this. Any type of maintenance that you might need to do, or swap out any type of pins that you could work on your rifle with. You just put that on your workbench, and then that way you could work on your weapon. It looks like this is a lower AR builder block. Now back to this little pouch that they give you, and this is pretty neat. This is where all your tools are stored. So this way, if you ever go out to the range and you don't want to take the whole box with you, well, maybe this is all you'd want to take with you. And they give you a little travel size CLP oil. You get the bone tool. This flips over. You have some instructions here. Looks like we got another microfiber gun towel underneath here. Cleaning towel. That's pretty cool, little travel towel. You get your assortments of pins, tools, little brush, your extensions. On this side you have more adapters for your tools and some more pin extractors or pin pushers or whatnot. And then what's really neat, you get a ripcord. And if you guys are not familiar with Otis Technologies ripcord, what they are is they're made of Nomax, which can withstand 700 degrees. So that way you service your rifle even while your barrel's a little warm. This way it won't melt any fibers or anything like that. And this was actually developed for the armed forces, so when they're using their service weapon or service rifle, they could actually clean it while it's somewhat still warm or hot, or if it's malfunctioning, they could still use these to fix this. These ripcords are pretty neat. I switched to ripcords, and very nice product, but we'll go over in another video about the ripcords. Looks like we have a safety flag for your chambering. We also have a nylon coated cable for your tools and attachments, so you could pull them through your barrel. And we also have some cleaning patches. So that's what you get inside this little kit that's supplied in the big kit. What's pretty neat about these range boxes, and what I like about them, is that when you go to the range, and if you're out there firing for any periods of time, or if you're out there long periods of time, what makes Otis Technologies products really great to have on the range is that you have all your equipment, and then what you can also do is they give their range boxes turn into bench style workbenches. So you could set up any configuration, or even if you want to use this to sight in your rifle. And here is the block for your lower on your AR. So if you wanted to put that in there to clean your rifle or to service it in any way, you could swap it out to your AR style. So this kit is not just basically for the AR style platform. It's good for any .223 caliber rifle that you might want to use this for. And Otis makes their kits very versatile to a caliper, and then it lets you build off of them. That's why I like Otis products so much. So let me get things set up here, and we'll go back and do a little review of everything that we got. Now that we have the kit all laid out here for you, so this way you could have an overview of everything that you get inside this kit, and we'll go over it one more time. You get a nice Elite range box to fit all your supplies in, and it's plenty big that you could add on to the kit and add any more products or anything else, or some of your favorite things that you might have or take out to the range day with you. Their kit also is a workbench style kit, so this way you guys can work on your rifle while you're in the field. And the kit comes with some cleaning patches, some CLP oil, 3 different stiffnesses of brushes. You get your brass, you get 2 nylon brushes, which the blue one's a little bit stiffer than the white one. You get 3 microfiber towels, which these microfiber towels feel amazing. You'll have to pick up yourself some of them. Then you get this little travel kit. And what's inside the travel kit is your bone tool, a little travel size of CLP oil, your range flag, in case the range you go to requires you to carry a chambering flag. You get your Otis ripcord. You get a nylon cable and the T-handle to attach all your tools to it. Then they even give you an extra set of brushes. They give you the bore cleaning brush, your sight adjustment tools. They even give you a workbench block, which I thought was pretty cool and pretty handy. And this is very durable. This way you guys could work on your rifle while in the field. Once again, they gave you this tool, which this is for the bolt carrier group. And I need you guys to comment down below exactly what this is for and how to use it. And maybe we'll do another video on this one. They also give you some star cleaning patches for your chamber area. And what I thought was pretty cool with this kit was they give you a lens cleaning kit for your optics. And basically everything here that you see is what you get. It's a nice kit to build off of, and I love their boxes because they have plenty of storage areas in here that you could add on to this kit. As you can see here, it's made in the USA, and I will put all their links in the description below as to how to contact them if you're looking for a range box kit, or to look for a retailer near you to where you guys could get yourself one of these. One thing I'm also going to add to this kit that I also picked up was some of these Otis lead cleaning hand wipes. They're specifically made for cleaning your hands after working on your rifle, and not to be used on your gun. But you know what, we're going to probably do another video on some of this and some of the other Otis's products that I might be coming across. So once again, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Well guys, I hope this video helps you guys out in looking at the Otis Technology AR Elite Range Box Kit. And it's a very nice, well thought out kit, and something that you guys can definitely build off of. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.